Top focus as a heat wave grips areas of central, western and southern India. Heavy rains have battered the northeastern part of India, particularly Assam, West Bengal and Manipur. On Sunday, intense storm has created havoc in West Bengal's Jalpaiguri and Mainaguri. At least 5 people have lost their lives and nearly 150 people have suffered injuries after strong winds accompanied with heavy rain hit the area. West Bengal Mamata Banerjee visited hospital in Jalpaiguri and met the victims. Meanwhile, Governor C.V. Anand Bose is also en route Jalpaiguri.
Been loss of life, injuries have been there, houses have been damaged. I had a detailed discussion with the National Disaster Management Authority members and the Secretary. They have been requested to supply reinforcement by way of men and materials if need be. They are all ready. All the agencies are acting together in unison. I will visit the field, interact with the officials concerned and understand the woes faced by the people. Then we'll take whatever decision is required, bring them mitigation and relief.
अचानक से जोर से हवा आया, उसके बाद इतना झड़ हुआ, पूरा टीन पूरा उड़ गया, एक आदमी इधर में मर गया और बहुत नुकसान हुआ इधर में।
आज अचानक तूफान आया जलपाईगुड़ी जिले के बहुत सारे क्षेत्र में, मैनागुड़ी विधानसभा, जलपाईगुड़ी विधानसभा में तूफान की वजह से बहुत जो नुकसान हुआ, जितना मकान था मकान ढह गया और बहुत सारे कैजुअलिटी हुआ यहाँ पे। अब तक हॉस्पिटल में 57 आदमी एडमिट हो चुके हैं, 2 आदमी लाते हुए मर चुके हैं, उनके ऊपर पेड़ गिर गए थे और मृत्यु की संख्या और बढ़ने वाले की आशंका की जा रही है और कैजुअलिटी अभी भी रास्ते में है, ऑन द वे।
মানে এমন ধরনের ঝড় মানে মানে পাহাড় ভেঙে আসতেছে, মানে ঘর টর একদম ভেঙে টেঙে একদম মানে চৌড়ে নিয়ে যাচ্ছে, একদম দরজার সামনে একদম দাঁড়িয়ে আছে, মানে ভেঙে টেঙে একদম মানে পুরো মানে চিন্তা।
My colleague Shreya joins me for the latest. Shreya, good morning. Given the current situation, of course, it is intense as far as rescue operations that are underway and the government planning to navigate this entire aspect. And of course, there are questions about air traffic. Has that become normal now? What do we know on that front? Give us an overall perspective.
There has been extensive damage, remember.
All right, we seem to be running into a network issue there with my colleague's audio line. But let's essentially tell you, given the current situation, things are not looking great because let's talk about the fact that while the north region of the country or even the southern part of the country is bracing for scorching heat, in northeast it's a completely different story. We've seen rain that has clearly created a havoc. The visuals that you of course see is of West Bengal. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, who did come in to meet the victims, is what we understand. Shreya, as far as, of course, you giving us inputs, go ahead and tell us the latest.
Of course, we see that extensive damage has occurred after the storm in Jalpaiguri and Mainaguri town yesterday afternoon. Now, remember, we have seen videos where we can see that how houses have been destroyed, how trees have uprooted. Remember, at least 5 people have said to be dead so far. We knew that it was 4 people. Now, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee visited the place and has said that the death toll have risen to 5. At least more than 100 people have been injured. Now, they have been taken to Jalpaiguri Medical College. They are under treatment. Even Mamata Banerjee yesterday night have visited these families, the injured people. Now, remember, it was a very devastating storm, after which we also saw Governor C.V. Anand Bose setting up an emergency cell in the Raj Bhavan to deal with the storm in Jalpaiguri.
Right, Shreya. I appreciate you getting us the latest as far as what we're picking up given the situation. But of course, this continues to remain our top focus. So we'll continue to track that. But let's